as a new form of citizen journalism?
Not blogging as a whole. Some forms that blogging has taken, because there are so many forms, right? And then one of the forms that blogging has taken is providing information and analysis on public issues, and that to me partakes of the functions of journalism. So in that sense, you could say that some forms of blogging are becoming forms of journalism, in the sense that they too are involved in providing information and providing interpretation.
These,
So I would say not all, because there are still blogs that are just about the person. There are rant sites, di ba? And so on. So those are not journalism.
Have you seen any types of blogs that you would consider as similar or close to what journalism would do is doing in the Philippines?
Well, some of the blogs that are being what how to call it, run by journalists are doing what journalism is supposed to do. In addition, of course, I've seen other blogs that may not be done by journalists, but which do partake of the functions of journalism.
So, sir, do you think there's a clash of ideas between journalists and the blogging community? Specifically on the past issue where you were the topic of some bloggers saying that someone like Mr. Luis Chudoro should not set the bar with regards to what blogging should be doing.
Okay. I think there is a clash, but there shouldn't be. I mean, what I was trying to say in the interview which provoked that exchange was that as certain types of blogging develop into what amounts to journalism, then they must have certain standards. Okay, I don't think that anybody will argue with that. Right? So now the question is, what are those standards? Now, naturally, the first thing that has to be answered is, do we have to develop standards separate from blogging? My sense is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel, because there are certain standards that journalism has already developed over the last 500 years. So among those standards are the professional skills that are required, the professional responsibilities, as well as the ethics of journalism. So what I was trying to say was that, okay, here they are, they're already there. And obviously, of course, these are complicated matters to be discussed in a 10-minute interview. Okay, but what I was trying to say was that there are all these standards, the ethical standards, the professional standards, they're already there. One of the ways through which blogging can continue to develop, blogging as a form of journalism can continue to develop, is to adapt the standards of journalism. For example, as far as ethics is concerned, okay, it's necessary to check your facts, not to make assertions that cannot be proven, attribute properly, don't name call, argue logically, that kind of thing. I was thinking of those things. So by way of shorthand, because of the questions of Carmela Conbuena, I said, okay, bloggers or journalists rather must be bloggers, or must do blogging. No? The reason why I was saying that was so that journalists can keep up with what's happening in the blogging community. And in terms of course, this being a new medium, which promises to be a major means of addressing people. Aside from the fact that it's interactive and all this and all that, it has this tremendous reach and so forth. No? So, in addition, I was also saying that bloggers can also learn from journalists. That's one way, by demonstrating. Okay, I mean, not necessarily being self-righteous and saying, "Oh, look at us, we're the ones who are superior," but just by doing blogging the way journalists think they should be done. Now, the question that arose, of course, is that some journalists are responsible, some journalists are unethical. Yeah, that's true. But I'm talking about journalists. I'm talking about best practice. I'm talking about journalists who are involved in best practice being the models.
So you think, sir, you were somewhat misinterpreted by some bloggers when you said that journalists should set the bar when it comes to blogging?
I wasn't saying that they should set the bar. I was saying that the journalists should demonstrate, given the fact that there doesn't seem to be any sustained effort among bloggers to develop those standards that we find in journalism. And that's not something that bloggers should apologize for. After all, journalism took 500 years to develop all of these standards, and blogging has been around for only a short time. My whole point there was, let's not reinvent the wheel. Let's take something that's already there, since what you're doing is basically the same, except that you're using a different technology, different
medium. Sir, you basically answered one of the questions already, but do you think
it's citizen journalism.
Yes, sir. Well,